Ever wondered why your car can climb steep hills without stalling? Or how a tiny motor can lift thousands of pounds? The secret lies in one of engineering's most fundamental concepts: gear ratios. Think of gears as mechanical translators. They convert high-speed, low-torque rotation into low-speed, high-torque power, or vice versa. It's like choosing between sprinting and powerlifting. You can't do both at maximum capacity simultaneously. Here's the core principle. When a small gear with 15 teeth drives a larger gear with 60 teeth, that's a 4-to-1 ratio. The output shaft turns 4 times slower but delivers 4 times more torque. This trade-off is why your car's first gear gives you massive pulling power but limited speed, while fifth gear does the opposite. The formula is surprisingly simple. Divide the driven gear's tooth count by the driver gear's tooth count. That's your ratio. But here's where many engineers stumble. They forget about compound gear trains. When you stack multiple gear stages, you multiply the ratios together. A 2-to-1 first stage followed by a 3-to-1 second stage gives you 6-to-1 overall. This matters whether you're designing industrial machinery, selecting actuators for automation, or troubleshooting mechanical systems. Choose the wrong ratio, and your motor might stall under load or spin uselessly without enough torque. Get it right, and you'll achieve optimal performance and efficiency. Understanding gear ratios isn't just academic knowledge. It's the difference between a design that works on paper and one that performs flawlessly in the real world. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.